Hey everyone, if you guys have not seen my Spigen rugged armor case, this is a really nice case. The only thing I didn't like is that it didn't give you options for colors. And so like I said, I was going to get, or I might order the knockoffs. In this case, we looked at the Osophter carbon fiber design case right here that came in different colors other than black. And now we're going to take a look at another one, keeping with the carbon fiber theme. And this case is from Cases on Deck. So the Cases on Deck, you can get it on Amazon for $10.99. It does not have prime shipping. It has a normal, standard shipping, whatever that is. I think it took me like about a week, maybe a week and a half to get to me. So let's just take a look at it now. And Cases on Deck, at least they sound like a familiar case company, right? And they do have a website. I did check out their website, and they have cases for others. And so this is they have like, these are called the skull design cases. And they have different ones. They have different, like, ones with the American flag, I think Mexico flag, and then it has, like on this one, it has the Marine Corps logo. You can also get one for Navy, Air Force, and Army. So all four branches of the military are taken care of. If you want, you know, if you like those, or if you've been in the military in any one of them. I was in the Marines, so this is the one that I decided to get, the Marine Corps emblem case. So man, it has like a, kind of has like a, almost like a kerosene type smell to the back of the case. And as you can see, it has almost the same design as this Osophter case right here. So I'm probably thinking they're all made from the same factory. Although Cases on Deck probably made their own designs, because this, yeah, that's what it is. It's the, I could smell the painting on this thing. But the painting is good enough that I don't think it's gonna give you any smudges right there. I wonder if we can. You could even read that Semper Fidelis right there. Always faithful is on there. United States Marine Corps, and this is in black. I think most of them are black with just the different skull designs, like the flag, the armed forces, and things like that. The one issue I had with this one, the Osophter case, is these buttons that they're really flush and they're very hard to press. They're not as responsive or tactile as some of my other cases, like this Spigen has very tactile, very responsive buttons. So we're going to find out if this has the same type of button feel as this Osophter, or maybe more like the Spigen. So looking at it from the sides too, it doesn't have the ridging here on the sides like the Spigen or my Poetic case has. So it's probably not going to feel as grippy. But this part is grippy, probably because of the paint and this texture right here, this ridging like kind of texture. So let's pop my V60 into the case to check out the fit. And yeah, I'd say about the same fit as the Osophter and the Spigen. It's somewhat tight, but not all the way tight. As you can see right here, I can like pull this on the sides and show you. There is plenty of lip protection around all four sides of the front of the case, bottom, top, left, and right. So your screen should be protected as far as straight drops or laying your screen flat on a surface like so. Going to the back, there is plenty of lip protection for the camera lens. And since we're here on the side now, here's the cutout for the microphone, much better than the Spigen or the Osophter. It looks almost centered and it's not being blocked. Up top here, same thing. That cutout is good. And here on the bottom, the cutout for the headphone, USB-C, the other microphone, and the speakers are all pretty good. So no issues there. Now let's test the buttons. So actually this is a little bit better. I don't have to press as hard as on the Osophter. So I think maybe Cases on Deck got a better batch of these cases designed. They're still a little bit somewhat flush, but it seems like they stick out a little bit more, just a little bit more than the Osophter. Let's test out the power button. Yeah, I don't have to press it as hard, but it's still not as tactile as the Spigen or my Poetic or the clear case, the two clear cases that I have, the Osophter and the Ghostek. Okay, we're going to test out the volume. So volume button is good. As you can hear or not hear, they're pretty silent. So they're not as tactile as some of the other buttons that I have, but they're a little easier than the Osophter carbon fiber design case. So buttons are okay, not the best, but not as bad as this Osophter case right here. Let's test out the ports, starting with from left to right or left to middle. Okay, so here is my Fostex headphone jack with the odd shaped, L-shaped headphone jack, and with the notches here to lock the headphone into place. But on this case, it's not going to work as I knew it would. So the only one that works with this headphone jack is the Spigen right here. This would be more like a normal headphone jack. And let's see. That one works, as you can see. Hi-Fi status popped up. If I remove it, Hi-Fi status will disappear. If I pop it back in or push it back in, Hi-Fi status goes back on. So that works. No issues there. So normal headphone plugs are going to work, but not special ones like the Fostex right here. So here are my two USB-C cables for charging. This thicker one right here is for fast wireless charging, and if this thicker one works, then the normal ones will work. So let's test it out. And it does work, as you can see. Fast charging is good to go. One more time. And there you go. So no issues with fast charging or the thicker cable chargers. Okay, we're going to test out wireless charging. First up, regular portrait. That works. Let's put it in landscape. That works. Upside down. Upside down works. And the other landscape. That works too. So all in all, no issues with fast wireless charging or wireless charging in general, it is, as you can see there, wireless charging is good to go. The case will not interfere with wireless charging. So that is our look at this Cases on Deck carbon fiber design skull painting with the Marine Corps logo. Like I said, you have other ones. There's a total of 15 different designs on Amazon's webpage for these Cases on Deck for the LG V60. Like I said, you have certain ones like the United States flag, Mexico flag, others I'm not sure. And then you have, the other branches of the military. You have this one is the Marine Corps. You have Marine Corps, Navy, Army, and Air Force. So all 4 branches are good to go. No Coast Guard, sorry, no National Guard, just the 4 major branches. And all in all, it's a good case. Again, the one big knock is the buttons are not as responsive as on some of my other cases, like the Spigen or the Poetic. All 4 other cases, or 5 now. Actually, no, that's 4, because the only buttons worse than this is its sibling or same designed case, and this is the Osophter. So as far as buttons go, this is the worst one, is the Osophter, and then the Cases on Deck. But it's not that big of a deal. I mean, you can get it to respond. It's not, no issue. It's just not as tactile as or clicky as the other cases that I have. The other 4, the Poetic, the Spigen rugged armor, my Ghostek, and the Osophter clear case right here. But all in all, it's a good looking case, in my opinion. I mean, to each their own. But if you like different designs, this is a good case. If you were in the military, if you were in the Marine Corps or any other branch of the military, they have you covered. If you are patriotic, they have an American flag or Mexico flag or some other flags, then they have you covered on that one too. So that is it. This is the Cases on Deck carbon fiber design skull case. You can get it on Amazon, once again, for $10.99. Standard shipping. There's no prime shipping on this. So depending on where you live, should take you about a week or 2. So just look for what it says on Amazon's page. So that is it. If you guys have been informed and entertained, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.